You have to. What do you have to introduce what you're doing?
Hi. Today, me and Ella will do a sword fight with our lightsabers, and this is a show called Jake's Place, even though we're not on the couch. And I'm Jacob, and make it so you. And this is Ella. We will have a sword fight called Trevor's. And here we go, Ella. Time to fight. Oh, wait. Wait, how do you do it? No. Oh. Ella, look. Here. And here we will fight. Oh, wow.
No face. No face. Okay. All right. Is it done? Now you look to the camera and you say, "I hope you enjoyed our sword fight."
I hope you enjoyed our sword fight with lightsabers.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
You can get it. Is that a good one, Dad?
Good one.